Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know me, my name is Ray and I make natural hair videos and other videos in between. Today I'll be showing you guys how to finger coil your natural hair, and I will be using the curling Custard by Kinky Curly. If you are a returning viewer and you watch my videos all the time, be sure to smash that subscribe button. I don't know why I'm sticking up my thumb. Like this video while you're at it, but be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you guys can keep up with all of my future content. And if you're absolutely new here, be sure to check out some more of my videos and subscribe to my channel. But anyway, let's get right into this video. So I'm gonna start my hair on half of my hair done already. I think it just makes it easier to show you guys the entire process. I will be finger coiling my hair. So just as some background, my hair is in plaits. Well, my hair was in plaits. I washed it last night and I just put in leave-in conditioner and plaited it up because I wasn't ready to do it last night. Doing that actually saved me a lot of time today in doing my hair, because typically I'd wash my hair, deep condition it, and then style it all in one day in one sitting, and that would take me a really long time. If you guys don't want to go through the whole entire wash day, you can just wash your hair the day before or wash your hair earlier that day, put some leave-in conditioner in it, twist it up or plait it up, and then get back to it later. So it's just a tip. That's what is in my hair right now. I just have leave-in conditioner and that is all. So today I'll be using the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk. I love this whole entire line, but I will be finger coiling my hair with the Kinky Curly curling custard. I've never ever tried this before, so these are my first impressions of the Kinky Curly curling custard. I've finger coiled my hair tons of times before, but I've never used this before. On the container, it kind of like advertises itself as if you can use it by itself. It says that it locks in moisture, eliminates frizz, define curls, gives brilliant shine, and provides long-lasting hold. It says to do it on soaking wet hair, but since my hair is dry, of course, I'm just going to be wetting it with my handy dandy spray bottle. But yeah, so let's get into it. Just gonna pin my hair out of the way. I'm gonna go ahead and thoroughly soak my hair. Whenever I'm truly defining my curls, I always like to use 1, a leave-in conditioner, 2, a curling cream or some type of moisture milk or some type of like curl activator, something that's creamy, thick, and will moisturize and kind of like clump my curls a little bit. So and then the last thing that I use is, of course, a gel to lock in the moisture and the definition. So I am going to go ahead with the moisture milk. I'm going to go ahead and wet my hair some more because I want to make sure that it's soaking wet. Some of the coiling custard. And smooth that over my hair. So for finger coiling, you want to get your hair, you would apply the product just as you would when you're doing your wash and go. Just rake it through, kind of, comb your fingers through your hair a bit while you're putting it in. You can kind of see my curls are getting defined. I'm going to take some more of the coiling custard and spread that over, smooth that over my hair. As you can see, I'm kind of like twirling it a little bit so it gets into that, coily, I don't know how to explain it. But I'm just raking it through, just really making sure that product gets all through my hair, even a little bit on the roots. We're going to take some more of the coiling custard, just a little bit, rub it on our fingers to make sure our fingers are fully coated in whatever gel that we're using. Smooth it over and then start defining those curls. As you can see, you can kind of see where your curls are separating. If you just like loosen it up a bit, you can see exactly where curls are falling, and boom, there's a curl right there. I'm gonna twirl it around my finger, then go to the ends, and boom, a nice pretty defined curl. And we're literally going to do this for every single curl. I won't do this for every single strand of hair, but I will find clumps of curls and twirl them around my finger in the back, I do like to do thicker sections or thicker like clumps of curls. Like, see, these are separating right here. I'm not gonna go and define those individual curls. I'm gonna clump those together into one big, like, you see how many curls are there? I'm gonna clump that into its own little section. Big, clumped up, pretty curls. I'm going to take some more gel, coat my hands. I'm using a lot of gel for this. I'm going to take my hands, take some gel and coat my fingers in it, and then smooth it over that section, and then twirl that section around my fingers to just reinforce that curl, and also to I guess kind of hold it until you're done with the rest of your hair. Like that. And boom. Just throw it to the back. Per usual, if you guys have watched my videos before, you know that I do this. When I'm done with my hair, when I'm done with defining my hair, I'm going to go ahead and take my water, spray it over the crown of my hair. So I'm going to put water on that, and then I'm going to take some more of whatever defining product that I'm using and smooth. Go to the front and kind of define those curls hanging in the front of my face, because that's what people see. And there we go. There you have it. Alright guys, so as usual, I will come back to you guys with the dried results, but this is what my hair looks like right now. So far, I am loving the Kinky Curly Coiling Custard. My hair feels really good. It smells good. It looks good. It's shiny. It feels moisturized. But we don't know the real results until our hair is dried. So I will come back to you guys with the dried results. Alright guys, so these are the dried results on my hair. And as you can see, my hair is super, super defined and pretty. It promises on the bottle that, or on the jar, that it will elongate. I can't talk. It'll elongate your curls, and it definitely did that. My hair didn't feel as like scrunched up as it usually is, which I like, because I like to have length, or at least show my length. And the one thing that I will say is that my hair doesn't feel dry. It looks dry, especially in the back. I feel like that's what the back of my hair looks like, and I don't feel like it looks its best. I refreshed the front, so that's why the front of these curls look so like, these front curls look so like hydrated. That's my how-to finger coil and my review of the Kinky Curly Coiling Custard. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, definitely give it a big thumbs up as always. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please, please, please subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.